Alright, y'all, so welcome to my new channel. I am James Zachary, aka Man Man, aka that man man. You did what I'm saying. So I guess you can say it's gonna be pretty much like a car channel, truck channel, whatever. It's gonna be a lot of different content coming from me, you know what I mean? Whole lot of crazy content, But hey, I appreciate everybody that's starting out at the beginning of this channel. Hey, it's gonna be a long adventure. It's gonna be a long journey, and hey man, I welcome everybody that tunes in. This is only the beginning. This is only the beginning. So for everybody that's first now tuning in, or anybody who later on comes in and goes back to view this first video, on the channel, I want you to like this video, smash the subscribe button, and comment anything down below that you think would be relevant to anything that goes into the next video, or any ideas or anything you guys may have. Alright, so pretty much the first thing I'm coming to you guys with is I'm working on building the F-150, which is right behind me. I've been in the 05, 06 model F-150, and pretty much I'm gonna take you guys through everything that I'm doing with it and everything that I'm gonna do with it. And hey, I just want you guys to see this magnificent progress and process. Also, I have a 2015 very dirty Chevy Malibu, and I'm also going to be doing some customizations to it as well, as long as I have it, because I may get rid of it. I'm not really sure at this point, but I'm thinking about getting rid of it, but we'll see how that goes. And hey, like I said, with you guys, like, shares, comments, subscribes, and most important, all their support, tuning in, viewing these videos. I'm pretty sure we're gonna make a lot of things happen. And yeah. You guys stay tuned. Like I said, my name is James Zachary, aka Man Man, aka that man man. You can follow me on Instagram. Everything will be down in the links below. You can follow me on Instagram at that man man. You can follow me on Facebook at James Zachary. That's Zachkery. Yeah, coming soon. A lot of videos, a lot of content. It's gonna be dope. I am out here with the F-150 today, as y'all can see over here behind me. As a matter of fact, I do have it running. Matter of fact, crank it up now. See spider wood and everything. Hey, I need somebody to detail this joker, man. I'm gonna clean it, but it ain't gonna be this dirty when I get somebody to detail it, but I still need somebody to detail it. Don't cut off. Still running. And it's to the point now to where it don't never cut off. It don't never cut off. I got that joker running pretty good. As y'all can see, I gotta get the drive shaft back in. That's the only thing as far as for keeping it from moving that I got to do. Drive shaft back in. And in order for that, as you can see, I gotta get the back gear. You couldn't get pin yoke. I gotta get another one of those. I gotta get another one of those. Or I may even purchase a whole new drive shaft. But yeah, I know. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, just want to give y'all a brief little update, man, on that F-150 is running pretty good. Oh, and I do think I'm gonna do some exhaust work to it, because I really want to change that pipe. I may even just, pretty much just put a pipe tip on it, put like a chrome tip or a black tip. I may put a black tip because those rails gotta go. They coming off real soon. Matter of fact, if I fill up to it, I may even snatch those off today. But yeah, they definitely coming off. They coming off, so sorry about that. I had a little bee in my face. But yeah. I may even put a black tip on the back of that, because I'm thinking about going with black rims, black Lloyd rims. Definitely thinking about going with black Lloyd rims. Probably gonna paint the truck black. I haven't really quite made my mind up on that yet, but I may end up going with black. Tires definitely gotta go. Gotta go. I cannot roll with those. They definitely gotta go. Toolbox. Definitely thinking about switching out the toolbox, especially if I can get my hands on this black one my buddy was talking about. My buddy said his dad got a black one that I probably can get. So if I can get that one, yeah, goodness, I'll definitely take it. I'll definitely take it. Ford F-150. 05 model. Coming soon. Coming soon.